Hi, welcome back. I'm going to show you how to set up 30-degree angle pose in your home. This is what traditionally you see in the studio for 30-degree angle pose. So what you would normally do is have a seat on a cushion, throw your legs over a bolster, and lay on back for your restorative pose. But at home we often don't have these types of props for yoga. So in my last video, I explained how to create a homemade bolster. So this is where this would come into play. And you can set it up on your blocks just as you would your yoga bolster. So that's a nice prop to have. And you may not have another bolster to use for your legs. And you can always use some pillows from your bed and prop them up, maybe even add an extra blanket to roll on top so your knees can sit nice and cozy over top of this little build up here. And a lot of us don't have blocks at home either, so we have some options for that. And I grabbed just some bowls. You're welcome also to use pots. Find what heights work for you. I had to play a little bit with the bowls that I chose just to find the right heights. So I grabbed a medium-sized bowl for my legs. And to put underneath my bolster, I will put a nice tall bowl or pot and a smaller one next to it. And we have a nice makeshift setup for whatever props you might be using for your restorative practice. Depending on how much buildup you can get for your legs, you may not even need a third pot or bowl or little tiny stool or really thick books, whatever you can find at home. And another option instead of bowls, if you have the appropriate types of chairs, you can also use the back of a chair. Now this chair is really nice because it's very straight down the back. There's not a lot of different curvatures, and it's got some nice support. So you would turn this upside down and give yourself a little ramp there to put your bolster on top of. So that's always a nice option. And just being sure that you have some head support, making sure your bolster is long enough so your head's not falling into this open space on the chair. A folding chair is also a great option for this pose as well. So I hope that's helpful for setting up 30-degree angle pose, and we'll see you in class.